you're using VS Code and you have a Stream Deck, then you should watch this video because the Stream Deck for VS Code extension is incredibly powerful. This is developed by Nicholas, so thank you very much for that one. Install it and you will get a small pop-up on the bottom that says deck connected and whether the session is active, as you can see right here. And here we go. Yeah. And now the next point that you have to do is you have to jump onto the Elgato Marketplace and install the VS Code Stream Deck plugin. So this is done by Nicholas as well. So big shout out to him. Install both, and you will then be able to control VS Code using Stream Deck. And I can show that here really quick. So I've created a profile for me for Stream Deck plugin development. So I can launch a new terminal here on the side. So there you can see my terminal. And now, for example, I can go ahead and say I want to create a new plugin. And then automatically the CLI starts. I could, for example, also launch other commands. And if we go into Stream Deck itself, we can see there are quite a few actions that I can execute with this. So execute command in a terminal, insert a snippet, I can change the language, I can create a new terminal, or I can open a new workspace folder directly. And all of these are really, really handy and will accelerate your workflow. So if you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button and like the video and share it with friends so they can become fast as well. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.